Hello and welcome to another video. Here we have another pair of TWS Bluetooth 5 earphones. These are from a brand called MPow and the model is T6. They have a battery capacity of up to 3.5 hours of music or talking, which is quite good for such small earphones. Here is written that we should only charge with 5V adapters or USB ports. There's also 3 sets of extra rubber earbuds included, all in different sizes. These are the standard type that most of us are familiar with, but later I'll show you the ones that comes installed on the earphones. These are a bit different in shape compared to these ones. For charging, there's a USB cable included. It's standard USB to micro USB, and the cable is flat. On the back of the box we have 2 ports, a standard USB and a micro USB. Micro USB is for charging the box, but the standard is used for charging other devices. Here you can plug in your phone or other devices that you need to charge. On the front we have a little chin for opening the lid, and the lid is magnetic. The plastic materials used here feel very good. They feel thick and solid. Now let's have a look at the earphones themselves. They are made of plastic and have a black glossy finish. The buttons on the side here is not a typical push button, it's a touch sensitive area. The earbuds that come installed are a bit different from the ones we saw earlier. They're shorter, and in my experience, these are more comfortable than the others. They sit better in the ears. There's also the charging connection. On the side, there's a little pinhole, and it's the microphone. Overall, a nice looking AirPod. And the other one, of course, looks the same, so let's have a look at the case. The case also works as a power bank for the earphones and have a capacity to recharge them up to 5 or 6 times, which should result in about 21 hours of total playtime. There's built-in magnets in the case, so just drop them in and they will sit there safely. The green light shows that they are charging and will turn blue when they are fully charged. Down on the box there is a little triangle. Here you can see the status of the case and its charge. It's a very nice looking case, and I like that it has a lid to protect the earphones from dust and falling out. The cable can be used to charge both external devices and the case itself. To charge the case, just connect the micro USB and then the other end of the cable to a power bank, phone adapter or computer to charge. Here we are charging the case and the earphones, and the lights will turn blue when it's done. I'm using a Baseus power bank to charge. The earphones actually have a built-in voice that tells you the status about power and the connectivity.
Power on.
It tells you when the power is on, when it's pairing, when connected, and when the battery is low.
Power on. Pairing.
To pair, just turn on Bluetooth and search for it in the list. Click it, and the voice confirms the connection.
Connected.
On the phone we can also see the battery status, which is nice. Let's see how fast it will reconnect after disconnected. Done. It only took a few seconds, so not bad at all. It can also control music by using the touch buttons. Click one time to play and pause. It works on both of them, left and right. To change the song, press and hold for 1 second. Let's try that again. We can also go backwards by touching the left earphone. We can go to the beginning of the song and we can go to the previous song. Google Assistant and Siri can be activated by double tapping on the left or right earphone. Tell me a joke.
Here we go. Why did the pirates fall out? They couldn't see eye to eye.
Open YouTube. They sit very comfortably in the ear, although they do stick out a little bit, but they're not too big. The sound quality is good and the bass is incredible. If you're looking for a set with heavy bass, these are definitely a good choice. The sound can be a bit muffled at standard settings, so I recommend using the equalizer and customizing the sound. The quality of the sound gets much better that way. If you want to purchase these earphones, there's a link in the video descriptions below. Hope you liked the video and remember to subscribe, comment and like. If you have any questions, just post them below and I'll get back to you soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.